Hello, welcome to Kick-Ass Grandmaster Stangle. What I want to talk with you about is opportunity. To make a self-defense technique work, as I said before, you have to have the element of surprise. However, you have to look for the opportunity to execute that. So today we're going to do a balance displacement type technique in a grappling type situation. Master Foster and Mr. Tim Stangle.
Thank you, sir.
What?
All right, so for today we're going to say we're in a more of a grappling situation. So he's got his hands up on me, I've got my hands up on him. We're kind of just fighting around here. So when you're fighting, you're going to be going back and forth. So when you feel his weight shift going backward, you're just going to take your foot, going to go right behind his leg, take him on down. Okay? Up here. So fight back and forth. As soon as you feel it, down. Take that leg back behind. Right? Couple more things to put in your bag of tricks. Thank you, sir.
Hey, thank you for watching Kick-Ass Grandmaster Stangle. Remember, we want the good guy to go home safe.